When the MAN F8 semi-truck first rolled onto European highways in 1967, it didn't just mark the debut of a new heavy-duty hauler, it redefined what a premium long-haul truck could be. Designed and manufactured by MAN of Germany, the F8 was a symbol of engineering excellence and rugged durability, quickly becoming a favorite among European transport companies. Navigating the increasingly demanding logistics networks of the late 20th century, the MAN F8 introduced a modular cabover engine design that offered superior visibility, easier engine access, and enhanced space utilization, a template that influenced truck design for decades. At its heart, the MAN F8 was powered by a series of robust diesel engines, with the most notable being the D2542 V10 engine introduced in the early 1970s. This 16.2-liter diesel V10 produced up to 360 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque, monumental figures at the time, paired with a 16-ZF manual transmission. This engine made the F8 capable of handling some of the heaviest loads over mountainous terrain with surprising ease, earning it a reputation for resilience and performance in long-haul operations. Later models also offered inline-six engines that prioritized fuel efficiency without compromising too much on power, providing fleets with flexibility based on operational needs. Compared to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz NG Series or Volvo F-Series trucks, the MAN F8 stood out for its unique V10 engine configuration and its bold, angular cab design. While Volvo trucks were known for their comfort and Mercedes trucks for their reliability, the MAN F8 carved a niche by combining mechanical toughness with a commanding road presence. It became particularly popular in Eastern Europe and the Middle East, where harsh climates and poor road conditions tested trucks to their limits. The MAN F8 met these challenges head-on, earning a cult following that endures even today. In the broader context of trucking history, the MAN F8 holds an important place as a bridge between post-war utilitarian trucks and the more sophisticated, driver-oriented machines that followed in the 1980s and beyond. It introduced technological upgrades like air suspension, improved braking systems, and better cab ergonomics, laying the groundwork for the comfort and safety standards now expected in modern trucks. As the trucking industry pivots towards electrification and autonomous technology, the MAN F8's legacy might inspire a retro-themed, heavy-duty electric concept, something that blends the F8's indomitable spirit with futuristic drivetrains. Its iconic design and reputation for reliability make it a perfect candidate for tribute models or special edition electric haulers, reminding us that true strength endures through innovation as well as tradition.